And now the miracle. And and that's really good that these can be programmed, because if they came in this high on level 2 and you didn't want it this high, you were just starting out, you'd kind of have to just speed up the water flow or do something else to lower the numbers for yourself, which actually you could do that too. So those are two methods of adjusting your strong level 2. All right, looks like a 10.6 and a negative 170s. It looks like it's going down a little bit, so I'll call it like a negative 170. Okay, now over here to the tyent, and that's level 3, and that's pretty strong. That's seems like level 4 to me. But a 11.1 and negative 813 looks like it's raising a tiny bit, not much. 11.2, negative 814. Okay. All right, now here to the miracle, and that also is very strong. Still rising. We'll let it settle down. And again, both of these ionizers have the capability of being programmed, and if you wanted your level 3 to be high, but just not this high, you could go in and change it. It's no big deal. You'd be somewhere between the last one and this one. Or just stay at level 2. Either one. Alright, so, well, looks like it might go up to negative 800. But it is slowing down pretty much now. 11.3 and somewhere in the 790s. We'll say 795, I think. It's a little weaker than the tyent. This is not as good results, but they're close. Oh, yeah, we're done. Negative 796. It's going back and forth from negative 796 to negative 795. So, a strong negative 796. Oops, negative 797. All right, well, I'm going to call it there. All right, and then now this is the strong alkaline on the tyent. Very similar to level 3, really. And the difference is it boosts up the wattage in the turbo mode in order to get the lowest acidic water possible. So we'll see what the acidic water looks like. Alright, so a negative 810, negative 811, and 11.3. Those are very good high alkaline results. Alright, and now the chanson. Let's see what that gives us. These are good results too. And it's 11.5 with a negative. Looks like it's going to go up to negative 800. Okay. So 11.5 with about a negative 800. As you can see, it's going up some. Gosh, I guess I'll let it go for another couple of seconds. See where it goes. But that's good. Those are good results, and you really don't worry about that ORP at this level of pH anyway, because you're not going to be drinking at this level. Alright, so negative 805. Alright, I'm going to go ahead. Oh, wait a minute. I do have one more set of the real slow flow. So I'm going to do tyent at the real slow flow, because I slowed the flow down. And it looks like 11.4 and up in the negative 800s. Okay, and then Chanson at the real slow flow. And it doesn't seem to have made much of a difference to slow the flow down, but a little bit. 11.6 and up in the negative 820s. Alright, so now I'm going to put my pH meter away, and I'm going, oops, wait a minute. Yeah, my ORP meter away. Okay, now I'm going to just use the pH meter. Over here we've got our acidic water, and I have to stir a little bit to break us out of this mode of alkaline. Okay, there we go. Okay, and that's tyent coming in at 2.1 acidic water. And this is real interesting because I just want to show you the acid water was quite a lot coming out of the Chanson. See, this tyent's real low and the Chanson's a lot. I think that can be tweaked. What the technician at Chanson was telling me was you can get that to the acid hose to go uphill more or something, and that would force less acid out and make it be more strong or something. So anyway, I tried to do that with the Chanson in further testing, and but let's see what this is. And that's not too bad, 2.5 for that much acid water coming out. I thought the results were going to be real bad, but they're not. Okay, so now I've got real slow flow tyent acid water, and I have such little amount of water I have to tilt the glass. And it looks like slow flow or regular flow, you're going to get a 2.0. That rhymed. Alright. Let's see, Chanson. Alright, so slowing down the flow for the Chanson did lower it, although not much. I mean, it's really the same, 2.5. Alright, let's see, I made it go uphill. I kind of lifted the acid hose and made it, oh, well, the technician was right. So if you have a Chanson and you want the lower acid, when you're in that strong alkaline setting, take your acidic water hose and lift it up. 2.1 is good. Alright, so I don't know if you can see this. Take the acidic water hose. You probably can't see that. And just lift it up while you're pouring. And it puts enough gravity, I guess, there to where it keeps the alkaline from spilling over into the acidic hose or something. I'm not sure. Alright, well, I think we're done. Those are both good results. Both excellent water ionizers. Very happy with both of these results.